Imagine a world so small yet so incredibly detailed that it feels almost magical. Tiny construction workers flipping pancakes, miniature engineers building bridges out of spaghetti, or tiny miners excavating rivers of molten chocolate. These mind-blowing miniature videos are mesmerizing audiences and keeping them hooked from start to finish. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment or advanced animation skills to create them. With the power of AI, you can generate stunning, hyper-realistic miniature worlds in just a few simple steps. These videos are not just visually captivating, they have the potential to go viral on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, bringing in millions of views. And because this niche is still relatively untapped, right now is the perfect time to jump in and start creating. Whether you want to grow a social media following or even monetize your content, this trend offers a golden opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your own breathtaking miniature videos using only free AI tools. Every step is crucial, so be sure to watch until the end. Now let's get started. The first step is to get the perfect detailed image prompts. The key to creating stunning miniature videos starts with the perfect prompt. A well-crafted, highly detailed prompt is the foundation of your AI-generated masterpiece. But don't worry, I've made this step effortless for you. I've put together a Google Doc filled with ready-to-use prompt that you can use with the help of ChatGPT to generate your own unique image prompts. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you've made it this far into the video, take a second to hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more creators like you. Now let's dive back in. Open the Google Doc and copy the detailed image prompt I've prepared for you. Once you have the prompt copied, head over to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. This prompt will instruct ChatGPT to create incredibly detailed and lifelike prompts that capture the essence of miniature workers interacting with food, tools, or other creative elements in a fascinating way. Then hit enter, and in just seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple unique prompts, each showcasing different actions, bringing imaginative concepts and dynamic scenes to life. If you want more prompts, simply ask ChatGPT to generate additional prompts based on the same theme. These prompts will give you everything you need to create stunning AI-generated visuals of tiny miniature workers. Now that we have our image prompt ready, the next step is to generate our images. For this, we'll use Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's a quick process and completely free. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to start a new image generation project, which will take you to the image creation interface where all the magic happens. It's important to adjust a few settings to ensure the best possible results. First, set the style to realistic. This will make the final image appear more detailed, vibrant, and lifelike. Next, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect format for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now open ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Then return to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the input field, and hit generate. Within seconds, Ideogram will process the prompt and create multiple stunning image variations based on the prompt. Once the images are ready, take your time to go through each version. Each visuals will have subtle differences, so look closely at the details to choose the one that best matches your vision. Then download it to your device. Now repeat this same process to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to animate our images into videos. For this, we'll be using Hailuo AI. Go over to your browser and search for hailuoai.video. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to access the animation interface. One of the most important settings to adjust is the camera movement. This feature allows you to control how the animation plays out and enhances the depth of your scene. Play around with different movement styles to see what best complements your image. Now click on Upload and select the image you want to animate. Once uploaded, you'll see an option for animation prompts. This is where we guide the AI on how to animate the scene. To ensure consistency between the image and its movement, go over to ChatGPT and copy the exact same prompt that was used to generate the image. Then paste the prompt into the animation section of Hailuo AI and hit generate. Hailuo AI will now begin the animation process. Depending on the complexity of the image, this may take a few minutes, so be patient while it works its magic. Once the animation is complete, preview the video carefully. Pay close attention to how smoothly the elements move. If something looks off, you can regenerate it till you get the right result. Once you're happy with the results, download the animated video to your device. Now simply repeat this same process to animate the rest of your images into videos. The next step is to get background music. Instead of searching endlessly for copyright-free tracks, we'll create a custom tune that perfectly matches our video's mood and style. For this, we'll be using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon, which will take you to the music creation interface. Here you'll see different options for generating tracks, but for the type of tune we need, we'll go with an instrumental. To get the right musical style for our miniature world video, go over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music to create a tune for this scenes. Then click Enter and ChatGPT will provide the perfect recommendation. Copy the suggested style and return to Suno. Then paste the music style into Suno's prompt box and give your track a title. Then click Create, and Suno will begin generating your custom soundtrack based on the style you provided. After a short wait, Suno will present you with 2 different music tracks tailored to your prompt. Take a moment to listen to both. Download the one you prefer to your device. Now that we have all the elements ready, the last step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated clips into the timeline. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect format for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If any of the clips have logos or watermarks, simply select the clip and stretch it slightly until the watermark disappears. Repeat this process for all clips to ensure a clean, professional look. Next, let's make the video flow seamlessly by adding transitions between clips. Click on Overlay, select a transition style that suits the theme of your video, and then hit Apply to All to ensure a consistent, smooth transition throughout the entire sequence. Next, to make the video even more engaging, let's enhance it with video effects. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects and browse through the different options. Choose an effect that complements the miniature world theme, then drag it across the entire timeline to maintain a cohesive style. Next, import the background music we created using Suno into the timeline, making sure it syncs well with the animation. Next, to make our video more engaging, let's include sound effects. Click on Audio, then select Sound Effects and search for construction sounds. This will enhance the realism of the tiny workers in action. Choose the best effects and place them throughout the timeline to match the movements in the video. Once everything is in place, play the video from start to finish to review the edits. If everything looks great, click on Export, then set the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section.